While most of the action at E3 is in downtown LA, we took a little field trip south to take a behind-the-scenes look at the Audeze Mobius. The company's headquarters is just under an hour from LA in Santa Ana. Here, all of the Audeze headphones are assembled. The company even makes its planar magnetic drivers in the modest production facility, a setup that allows it to put together everything by hand, closely monitor quality control, and maintain a steady R&D pace. Then there's Mobius. Audeze built its reputation on audiophile-grade headphones and more approachable planar magnetic models, but Mobius is a new direction for the company. It's a gaming headset that goes beyond the surround sound many others offer. Audeze employs Waves 3D audio tech and head tracking to make the sound more immersive. Not only is there the stunning clarity I've come to expect from Audeze, but there's now a unique spatial component as well. It may not seem like a huge leap, but it means that there's now a crazy good audio option that matches the console or PC graphics your favorite games employ. And perhaps most interestingly, the sound changes based on how you move your head. During a brief Battlefield 1 session, I really got a sense for the difference Mobius makes. There's more direction to planes buzzing overhead, a depth to the gunfire that's up close, coupled with those shots ringing out further away. In a way, it allows you to step further into a virtual world with an upgrade to your in-game audio. Mobius is much more than a gaming headset though. It's a really good set of Bluetooth headphones. The hook may be for gamers right now, but it's notable that Audeze put its trademark technology inside a set of wireless headphones. And with Mobius, you don't have to worry about sacrificing sound quality. These headphones allow LDAC audio on Android and AAC on iOS. They will also probably do wonders for your private Netflix binging sessions. Based on the 32-bit 96K sample I heard from an Android device, Mobius could be the best sounding wireless headphones I've tested. Of course, I'll need more time with them to know for sure, but they certainly made quite the first impression. Unlike its other headphones, Audeze is only making the drivers for Mobius in California. The reality is, the anticipated volume for Mobius won't allow for assembling that many units in Santa Ana. Right now though, the company has the initial batch in-house so it can do some quality control testing on the assembled units from the manufacturing facility. That includes audio testing with everyone's best friend, Bob. The Mobius is up for pre-order for $339, but the price jumps to $400 later this week ahead of the official launch. Audeze is crossing the T's and dotting the I's right now, but it expects to ship the first batch to Indiegogo backers by the end of June and to begin shipping other orders by the end of July. Keep your browser tuned to Engadget.com for more audio tech and the rest of the news out of E3 2018.